Thanks for you buy our Elisa Reader SK202. After you get our machine, you will find 3 cables and some documents and 1 CD software here. Now let me introduce how to use this and how to install and test by our machines. First, you will find some documents: the Elisa Reader user manuals, Elisa Reader packing list, and the Elisa Reader user guides. Sincerely hope you could read them carefully. Now, let me introduce how to install these cables. This cable is for the machine and the power. This cable is for the machine and the actual computers. This side is for the machine, and this side is for the computers. This cable is connected this machine to the ground, and this is the software which you should set in the computer. And to run the software, this machine can run. Now we just turn on the power of the machine and check the light is light or not. Okay, now let me show you how to install this software to the computer and how to test by our machine. Firstly, you should put our software to the D disk, and you will find 2 software. One is the Elisa Reader software, and you should put these buttons setting to the disk just like here. And then you should run this software, because this software is the cable for RS-232 converter driver with the XP systems. This is just for the machine and the computer. If you don't run this, that will be not connected well. Okay? After we set in the software, let me show you how to test by our machine. You should check that after you send in the software, you can find a software button in the desk and press 2 times of the software. You will get the interface and you will hear the noise of the machine, because our machine will be checked by itself automatically. And within 5 seconds, we can get this interface. You can see this is the item setting, and this here is the sample test, data, search, system set, report, and exit. Now let me show you how to set in the item. From here, we can add or delete the item list, which item you want to add or which item you don't want to add. Here, let me show you how to add the item list. You just put it and add, then you can put in the item numbers here and choose the test measures or calculate measures, sample type, qualitative types, and wavelengths here. Then you just press the save button. That will be done. Let me show you here. Then we just press the modify, and we put in the names of the item, choose the measures which you want to do. Our software how put in all the measures you will meet in daily testing. So you don't need to write in it. You just choose it from here. All the parameters should be set according the region specification you buy, and the wavelength is also needed to according to the regional specification. After we save this, we just press the save button, and then we choose the PC setting and put in the numbers which according to the regional specification. And after we done this, we just press the save button and press the cut off formula. Here is some numbers is also according to the region specification. So after any item you want to add, you should read the regional specification carefully and find out which parameters you need to send in. From here, you should put in the numbers according to the regional specification of the item. Then you press the OK buttons and save it. Then press the OK. Okay. Now this item of the qualitative have been done, and let me show you how to do the test. We press the return, and from here the sample test. From the left corner we can choose the item name which we want to do the test. We just press it, and from here we choose the blank, the negative, the positive according to the regional specification, and then we choose the samples. You can see the start sample numbers is so that if you want to, the numbers is from the 0 or 1 or 20 is also as which you wanted. Now this time we just from 001, and we can put the sample here, or we can put the sample here. It's also according to you, but you should be mentioning one thing. If we put the region and the sample here, we should also need to put the blank, the positive region, and the sample same as this. Please be noted, we should be same as this. Then we put the region and the sample to here, be carefully, and then cover it. After we done that, we just press the test key and waiting 15 or 20 seconds, we will get the results. Okay, now we just from the right corner and press the qualitative. Here is the result which we have done, and if we want to print the report, we just from here the test report, and we will get the results. We will get the results here, and if we want to print, and you can from the right corner, and they have the batch print or single print. The batch print is means that you can print some reports one times, and the single print is means that you just print one report one times, like this. If we choose this and the single print, here will be print. But you see, this is just the sample numbers and there is no name. If you want to put in the patient's name, we should be returned to the interface and to add the patient's name. Let me show you. We just return, and from here you will find all the reports we have done. And here we choose the report list and press the modify. From here we can put in the name of the patients, like hello, and the sexy, the address, and the bed names, and the hospital names, and the submission date. And from the right corner you will choose the sample types and the submission department, submission doctors, and the test doctors, and those remarks. Then we just save it, and from here we just press the test results, and now you will see. And if we want to reprint, we just choose it and press the single print. That will be print. If we want to add the hospital name, we just return this, and from here system settings and choose the system parameters. From here we can put in your hospital names and the date and the others. We just choose OK. Then if we press the report, that will be with your hospital name. Okay, let me show you another items. Is the calibration, because all the items is just the qualitative or calibration. Now let me show you how to set in the parameters of the calibration and how to do the test. For example, the T3 is the calibrations, and now let me show you how to set in the parameters. We just choose it and add or modify. From the main parameters settings, we just put in the name of the item you want to do the test, and choose the measures or the types according from here. But all the please be noticed that all the parameters, all the measures, and the numbers is according to the reading of the T3. And after we done this, we just press the save, and from here the standard setting, because this is the calibration, so we should choose the standard settings, and from here we should choose the standard corner according to the reading specification, and from here all the numbers is 0. And from here, the standard, we should put in the numbers, but we should be mentioned the concentration is increased just like this from 0 to 6. After we done this, we just save it, then press the OK. Now the T3 parameters have been done, and let me show you how to do the test. We just return, and from the sample testing, and from the left corner we choose the item T3 which we want to do the test, and firstly we choose a blank, and second we should choose the standard of which we have been done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when you press the 5, the software will warn you that the standard coin have already reached the limit. This is so smart. And now which we should put in is the samples. We just press the samples, and also we can from here to set in the started sample numbers. Now this time we just press the 100, and you can put in the sample here or here. This time we put in here. Okay, after we done this, please be noticed that we should put the reagents or the sample should be same with which we have done in this interface. So after we done this, we just put the sample and the reagent in the cuvette to the plant. Be carefully and cover it. After we done that, we press the test keyboard and waiting 15 or 20 seconds, we will get the results. Okay, from the right corner we choose the calibration, and then this is the results which we have done. And the same as the bubble, if we want to print out the samples or the report, we just choose the test report. And if we want to print them, we just choose the batch print or single print. If we want to add the hospitals or the patient names, just done as which we have mentioned above, return, and from here, report, we choose it and we modify. Here we will to add the patient's name. The patient's information, address, and better names, and the other information you can choose here and or you can put in here. Then is the save it and return. And from here, system settings and system parameters, you can choose the hospitals or the data here. Then we just return, and we can choose the reports. Here we choose it, and we just press the test results, and we choose it, and we can print it now. Okay, this is all the show for the calibration and qualitative items you will be needed. Now that's all. Thank you.